Hi everyone, this is Dr. K. Kiran Kumar. Welcome to Advanced Financial Management subject class. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss the fourth module of Advanced Financial Management, that is mergers and acquisitions. Regarding mergers and acquisitions point of view, there is one more important concept supposed to understand, that is defending hostile takeovers. That means being a financial manager, he is supposed to understand the financial position and business operations. Along with that, he should also understand the position of the maintenance of the shares or holding of the shares. Why? Because here company doesn't know who is one, or the person or any one person may come for take over the company. So with this regard, financial manager supposed to act with best interest of the shareholders. So any person or outsider or shareholder may come for the take over the company when he has a required minimum number of shares. So here hostile takeover is nothing but forcefully take over the company without giving any information to the company. And with this regard, if any situation is arise, then it is the duty of the manager supposed to complete or supposed to do the a process of hostile takeover with the best interest of the shareholders. If the board of directors of a target company decides to fight a bid that appears to be financially attractive to their shareholders, then they should be considered one of the following defenses. That means here a company may have a option or chances to fight with the a target company or fight with the other company. So these defenses might be divided into two, that is pre-bid defenses, post-bid defenses. That means before bidding by the other party, here company have a chance to fight against the hostile takeover. And post-bid defenses means if bid done by the any other party, even a company may have some kind of strategies to fight against the hostile takeover. So we are going to see what are those post-bid defenses and pre-bid defenses. So let us begin with the pre-bid defenses. First strategy, generally having a company to fight against the hostile takeover, is the communicate effectively with shareholders. So it is the duty of the company or a company management supposed to convey the information about the hostile takeover to their shareholders, and immediately they may alert, and accordingly they may take the decisions. Second one, revalue non-current assets. This is one of the strategy generally applied by the companies to fight against the hostile takeovers, that is revalue. That means when company going for revaluing the assets, then the value of the company may increase. So with this regard, there is a chances of withdrawing the hostile takeover by the other party. So revalue point of view, let me give example. Before revaluation, actually the value of the firm is 100 crores. But when those assets are revalued according to the fair value or market value, definitely the value of the assets may increases. So finally, the value of the firm may increases from 100 crores to 150 crores. It is an example when a company going for revalue non-current assets. Next, poison pill strategy. As we know that the word, so when a company is not in a position to fight, then they may use this a poison pill strategy. So to Generally, as per my understanding and as per my knowledge, here the company may go for showing the a particular company financial performance in a different way. That means they are showing themselves as a weak to the other party. And last one is change the articles of association. Even a company anyway have a chances of changing in their articles of association. Maybe regarding the takeovers. If any other party coming and take over the company, they're supposed to have a minimum of some 40 to 50%. In their articles of association, if they change, if anyone try to acquire this company, they are supposed to maintain minimum more than 50 percentage of shares. That means increasing the minimum holding of shares for acquiring or take over the company. So these are the some of the pre-bid defenses a company have a chances or fight against the hostile takeover. And post-bid defenses, even if bid done by any other party, a company may have a chances to fight. First one, appeal to their own shareholders. So immediately they are supposed to convey properly about the process of takeover or bidding process to their shareholders. Next, attack the bidder. If a company having a chance or any type of strategy with regard to the pricing, that means a company trying to increase their farm value, okay, or else counter bidding, or else any changes in the offer prices. Next, white knight strategy. That means instead of going through these type of strategies, better have a discussion with the other party before going to merge with another company or before going to acquire by the company. So white knight strategy point of view, there both parties are discussing together and understanding and finalize all the completion procedures. So openly, that means whatever the offer by the company to acquire, then it should be disclosed. And if a company is not willing to merge with another company with the offer price, then they may have a negotiation between them. And a counter bid. Here, even a company having a counter bid. Let me give example. Here, main company trying to acquire the another company, and main company offer 100 crores. So with this regard, the company itself only can put one more bid more than the 100 crores. Generally, it is called as a Pac-Man, and refer the bid to the competition authorities. So here, if the hostile takeover is going with the personal interest, then it is the duty of the regulatory body to verify or investigate whether this process is going properly or not. If something goes wrong, immediately regulatory body will take a action on this process. So here the acquisition process, takeover process supposed to be done as per the best interest of the shareholders and according to the regulatory framework. So these are the some of the pre-bid and post-bid defenses with regard to the hostile takeover. Thank you. Have a nice day.